have Midland Park and a whole heap of pigeons and sparrows. Well, now just pigeons, sparrows in the trees there. More pigeons. And off most of them go. Anyway, Midland Park's in a... Oh, okay. Off they go. I was going to talk about Midland Park, but pigeons are clearly more interesting. And off they go. And here is a metal sculpture of Kate Shepherd, because this is Wellington, and let's face it, what else would you have? You see? When you need women to vote and when you need a book written, then I guess you get Kate Shepherd along. These shells are just odd. Interesting though. So is it a shell or is it just footwear? And then there's even a power plug in it. Who would have thought? Here's a fallen pillar of some sort. Ornamental of course, and the old public trust building. That's only just recently been earthquake strengthened. Because for some reason the council seems to think it needs to be done, even though it has stood for a very, very long time. And it was actually a revolutionary building back in its day because it used steel framing, which for its era was pretty revolutionary. Anyway, I'm not really saying much because I need to head off to get a train now. Obviously it's been a bit of a meh day weather-wise, but not too bad. Could have been much worse, so at least it's been only a light drizzle earlier. I mean, things are wet, but the rain was far from torrential, so that is what we are after. And anyway, the railway station is approaching, so I believe I shall end this episode soon. We have, I believe those are the old court buildings, and the new one is the interesting thing with the brown ugly frame in front of it. That's the new one. Because of course, with modern architecture you always need to stick ugly things on it because you can. Now, good thing about parking meters is that, well, whenever you need the time when to go, you just have a look at the parking meter. And the parking meter will tell you the time. Best thing ever. Parking meters that tell you the time. But enough of parking, especially whole buildings that are wastefully taken up with it. Thank you for watching, and until next time on Gardener Gone Wild. Yes, interesting loud cows. About to call them cows, but they're calves. Anyway, enough of that. By the way, so much for those pigeon guards. Here's a pigeon nesting. Yep, pigeons can nest in areas where they're not supposed to be nesting. Marvels of nature is all I have to say.